Hi, this is David Bird. I am running a test version of ND107, and I'll show you what we're attempting to test, which will use a process route to test ND189. So if we look at, this is the initial process. And specifically, if we open this thing, we can see that this quote project number is there, and that's set, and that is actually in open air. So this loads the message we want to press past ND107, which is this process. And typically this process would point down here to try catch. This ND189 is going to go down here eventually, but we've already tested the ND107 process. We just want to see that it kicks off the ND189 correctly. So that's why this is up here for that. So this is saved, and this is saved. All right, so if we hit test and run this, and wait patiently, and it completes. So if we click here, go to the source data shape and hit process call, it will bring up the results of the process called ND107, which basically just jumps and does a process route of ND189. So hit source here, hit this little process call, and here we see the ND189 process, which is supposed to have been tested and approved. And at this point, you can see that that 85703 project that we passed in here has been queried from NetSuite OpenAir and gotten the information it requires. And then it looks like it takes it down, assuming this is working. So I'm going to make the assumption that it's working as I was told, and that we are firing and kicking this off through the process route just fine. I'm going to go back to ND107 now. We're going to move this to the try catch, and we're going to move this down here for a moment. And we're going to add a fourth branch here. Actually, cancel that. I want to put a new branch here, 2 branches. Alright, I paused it and made some changes. So what I did is add a branch here called ND107 and an ND189. So this is the one, branch 1 is the 107, which looks identical to what it originally was. And then ND189 is branch number 2, which comes down here and kicks off the process route step and then finishes. Actually, yeah, it finishes. And that's it. I think this is ready to go to QA once the other changes for ND107 have been checked out. And I'm going to stop this and put this on YouTube and provide the link